This is a quick video on how to remove a radiator support for a 2004 Infiniti G35 Coupe 2-door. This is the broken radiator support. You can remove it without taking off the radiator. And you can also remove it without disconnecting off AC parts. The AC parts will still be connected and no freon will be lost. Removing hood latch, headlights and front bumper is very simple. Along with the front bumper aluminum reinforcement, the radiator was able to hold itself, but you can add something under it or above it to hold it just in case. This is one of the best radiator support designs that I like. It is simple and no welding needed. You will need a small Phillips screwdriver and a 10mm socket to remove most of the bolts and screws that it has. Once all the bolts are removed, pull the radiator support. Out and down, it should come out and detach from the radiator. Hit a like and or comment if you like this video so far. And subscribe to be a subscriber. I took off this good condition radiator support from another car. This is how I got it ready to install it. It is a very easy job, even you can do it. It just takes time and patience. Do not rush. To install the radiator support, start from the bottom. First, set the radiator in place. After that, put 2 bolts where the bumper reinforcement sits just to hold it. Then the rest will come out naturally, just how you took it off. This is where the front bumper reinforcement sits. This is where I put 2 bolts to hold it in place really quick. I also put 2 bolts on the opposite side to hold the radiator support. Fast forward, and this is how it should look. Installing the Infiniti G35 headlight. Connecting the headlight plug. This is the bolts holding the Infiniti G35 headlights. This is how it is coming out. These are the bolts I remove and installed to hold this part. This part goes connected to the radiator support. Finally, I took a break and drank a delicious, tasty protein drink. If engineers could make all radiator supports like this, life would be easier. I really enjoy replacing this type of radiator support so much. It was so much fun. This is how the front bumper reinforcement came out. This is how the rest of the car came out. I hope you enjoyed this video. And be a subscriber, so you do not miss